Hello guys, this is Sarich. Welcome to my channel. This Today we are going to be looking at stairs, and I'm going to teach you how to apply materials like tiles on your stair. I'm going to show you how to do a couple of stair designs, modern stair designs. So before we dive into the tutorial, please like this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that whenever we post new videos, you'll be notified. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is a, a regular staircase without any materials on it. So I'm going to show you how to add materials on it, like tiles. Also, I'm going to show you how to do a couple of stair designs that will make your project stand out. So these are different types of staircase designs. I'm going to show you how to make them in this tutorial. So to start, you need to open a new project. So you go to home, click new, and then use a default template. Yeah. So on open, we are going to adjust the height of the stair. We are going to make the upper level to be 3 meters. That's what we are going to do now. You open the 3D view and key the level 3000. Enter. And going back to the first level as level 0. Now we can go back to architecture tab under circulation and select this stair button. Now we can set the actual width to 1.2. Go to properties. You use in situ concrete 150 waste. We have desired number of risers set at 18. That is giving us a riser height of 166. We don't want that, so we are going to increase it to 20. Now bringing down the riser height to 150. We want the thread depth to be 300. Okay. Now we are good to go. So let's draw the first flight. That's about 10 risers. Then we continue. The landing has been set to automatic landing, so it will put the landing by itself. We can draw the second flight to complete it. The gap in between is too much, so maybe let's reduce the gap in between. We can make it 200. Okay. So, yeah. To the 3D. This is what we have. So for now, let's hide the railing. Hide category. So you have half stair. Okay. We have our stair. Okay, now let us assign materials to it, both the riser and the thread materials, and then the materials on the landing. Okay, so we select the stair, we go to the properties, edit type, under run type. But before we go, let us duplicate this one. Duplicate or give it. Okay, let's leave it at 2. All right, you can give it whatever name you want. Now you can go to the run type and use the dotted line to open a new properties for the run. Okay, here you see the other side surface is set to smooth. Structural depth is 155. The material is a concrete casting place. Okay. Now let us add the thread material set to have the riser material. Can also add the riser material line. Then the thread profile set to default. Thread thickness is at 1. Maybe you can give it to 12.5. Apply. You can also specify nosing for it. So nosing profile, let us see what they have for nosing. They have nosing standard, nosing reviews. Maybe we can go for let's see what this nosing standard looks like. Apply, and then apply nosing profile to front prong window. Let us apply the nosing all around, front, left and right. Okay. Then the riser, I like to use extend riser on the extend thread on the riser and then apply. Okay. Okay. Alright. So here we go. We have our files on the surface. Right. So we have our file assigned. Okay, so you see the nosing, the stair nosing going all around the thread. The stair nosing going all around the thread as we specified. Okay, now let us assign materials to it. First of all, we can create the materials we want to use. I'm going to create a different material for the thread and a different material for the riser. I'm going to manage other settings, materials. Then I'm going to create 2 new materials. going to call this one thread materials. Let me SR thread and material, and then create another one. Rename it so SR writer material. As a material, so we have these two materials, riser, and go to the appearance tab, replace asset. For the riser, I'll use a ceramic material for it. So let me search for ceramic material. Ceramic material. Okay. Let me use this one. Maybe is updating. It's updating. Okay. And then for the thread material, alright, we can go for something that has texture, something like a marble. Alright. Okay, let me use the first one. There seems to be a mix-up somewhere. I did not duplicate the material, the asset for the thread material. Seems to affect the done. So let me duplicate this asset and reassign it, the asset for the riser. Let's take a look. Duplicate. Okay, all right. So can come back to the stair, select it, go to the properties, edit type, come to the run type, under construction, select it. Then under material and finishes, you can see the thread material. You go click on it, you select the thread material we just created. For the thread material, say OK, click OK. So we assign the thread material, then the riser material. These materials I chose, they're not the best, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm choosing them. It's not like they're the best material, yeah, but for the purpose of this material, that's why I'm going to make use of them. Okay. So now we can apply them. Okay. Let's put it to change the TV mode to realistic. Where you can see we have the marble material for the thread, and then the other ceramic blue material for the riser. If by perchance you want to change the material on this landing, so maybe the material you are using for this riser or any other material, you can do that one also. You can select the stair, go to the edit type properties, and go to the landing type. Right now on the thread it said same as run. So when you uncheck that one, then you have the option to use whatever you want. And also set the nosing profile for that landing. See the material now available for the thread material. If you uncheck thread, then you have this monolithic material. That's for the landing itself. So for the thread, you need to have a thread there, and then you can set a different material that you want. Okay, let me just use an example. Let me use this copper here. Let me use this copper material now to show you what I mean. Open, apply. See that the landing has changed the material. It's not using the copper material itself, but that's not it's not looking very nice. So we are going to use the same material on the thread for it. So we are going back, we are setting it same as run, apply. There it is, looks better. So this an easier way to assign material. In the other video I did where I showed you how to assign material, I used the manual method. So if you want to check out that video, you can look at it in the card. Click on the card above, or I'll drop a link to it on the description below, so that you can look at the video and see what I did there. But this is a much better way of assigning materials to your stair. Okay, now let's do some more stair types. I told you I'll be showing you how to make stairs, different types of stairs, like this one. This one that has the back is stepped also. And you have a central beam holding it as a structural backbone. Let's go back to our stair. So let's duplicate this one we've done already. Copy it. On here. Okay, so this is the new copy. We're going to select it, go to the properties. Very easy to set this one up. Let me duplicate the type. Let me just use stepped under to differentiate it from the first one. So we can go to run type. Under side surface, we choose stepped. But before we do just that, we need to duplicate the type. Duplicate here, and then we set it to stepped. Leaving the materials as it is. Apply. Apply. So here you have with this thickness as it is now, you may not require that beam, that central beam running through it, because structurally this depth is enough. You can do your reinforcements inside the stair and it will hold. But if you want to make it lighter, to make the depth narrower, and you need a central beam to hold it as a structural element that will hold it in place. So let me do that one. Let me just duplicate this one, so I have that one as an option too. Okay, so copy from here, 35 to there. Going to the 3D mode, 3D view. I'm going to duplicate this there. Okay, I'm going to one type. I'm going to reduce it to 75. Apply. Sorry, 150. Apply. I need to duplicate this one type and make it 75. So 150, 75. Okay, that's 75. Apply. Okay. It's complaining that the top level is not reaching the level 1 above, so we need to increase the number of risers. Bring it up to 20. Apply. Alright. Okay, the other one too. It's having the same problem. Okay, so we now have a thinner profile. Let us put the beam, the supporting beam for this one. I'm going to select the stair, go back to the edit. This time around, I'm going to use the middle support. I'm going to use the support. I'm going to use a middle support. Then I clicked on the three dots button there to open the support type properties. So I'm going to duplicate it. The code is on 150 mm width. Then use 150 width. Structural depth, I'll set this one at 300 and this one at 150. Apply. I'm going to leave the material at the default. Okay, fine. We have our structural distance. Apply. Okay. It's not showing. On 15. It's 200. Okay. I don't know why that the middle support sometimes it doesn't show. Other times it will show, but it will not go under the landing. Well, but I'm going to show you a workaround to that limitation. Maybe if you are trying this thing out by your own, and then you are assuming the middle support is showing your own, you will notice that it does not connect to the landing. Just not connect under the landing. Just stops at the last riser, and then the other flight will also have its own, but you won't see it on the landing. So, but the workaround I use for it, like the one I used for the other one, the one I did, is select it. I'll use the left support. And we'll select it. Okay. I'll use the left support. Now I'll use the carriage open, and I'll select the 150 carriage open we've already edited. But this time around, we'll have to move it inside to no longer be on the left. We have to move it inside. We'll give it a left lateral offset of, let's say, 550 or 525. Apply. Bring it to the center like this. That's my workaround to that limitation. And my workaround to that limitation, it still gives you the same effect. Just stay in the center as the middle support. Alright.